Hi guys, here we've got iPhone 13 Pro Max, and let me show you how to sort your contacts, for example via surname or name, whatever you prefer. So to do it, you need to open Settings, then find and select Contacts, here they are, and you will notice Sort Order. So just tap here and you can pick either first last or last first. Actually it's up to you, but you can switch it just like this. So if you prefer to have the surname at first, just pick the second option, and otherwise just pick the first one. You can also pick display order, and you've got same options here. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.